Juggling bills got you down. Let's simplify paying your Apple Card balance with a few clicks, so you can keep your finances smooth and your credit score happy. First up, paying through the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is probably the easiest and quickest method. Go ahead and grab your iPhone and let's get started. Find and open the Wallet app. Once you're in, scroll down until you see your Apple Card. Tap on it. You'll see your current balance displayed. Now, tap the Pay button, usually located near the top or bottom of the screen. Now you'll see different payment options. You can choose to pay your current balance, a different amount, or schedule a payment for a future date. Let's say you want to pay the current balance. Tap Pay Current Balance. Review the payment details, including the amount and the date. Make sure everything looks correct. Then, confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You should see a confirmation screen indicating that your payment was successful. Easy peasy. Now, let's look at paying through the Apple Card website. If you prefer using a computer, this is a great alternative. Open your web browser and go to Autopay. Log in using your Apple ID and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Apple Card dashboard. Look for the payment section. Click on Make a Payment. You'll be prompted to enter the payment amount and select your bank account. Finally, let's talk about Autopay. This is the most convenient way to ensure you never miss a payment, whether on your iPhone or on the website. Look for the Schedule Payments or Autopay option. You can set up Autopay to pay the minimum payment, the statement balance, or a custom amount each month. Choose the option that works best for your budget and preferences. And there you have it. Paying your Apple Card balance is simple with these methods. Choose the one that suits you best. Set up Autopay for ultimate convenience and keep your credit in tip-top shape.